Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Take your seat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sonal.
Yes, sir.
It's a lovely name. What does it mean?
So it means someone who brings prosperity, and in general, it means golden.
Okay. Tell us something about you.
Sir, my name is Sonal. As you read in the form, I belong to Bihar, and I have completed my graduation from National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Then I went on to work for a telecom major, Idea Cellular Limited, for about 1 year and 1 month. Then I resigned from the job because of my preparations, and I started my preparation from 2015. And after that, I have been here in Delhi, and this time I cleared my mains, so I'm sitting in front of you. Meanwhile, I've also been working as a part-time tutor to small primary children, mostly primary children, and I've also been supporting my household.
Okay. Why did you leave Idea Cellular to
So,
aspire for civil services?
yes, sir, definitely that was the reason. Initially, I thought I would be able to handle my work as well as my preparation, but I could not do that, so I left the job.
Okay. You are from Bihar. People have different opinion of Bihar. Do you think Bihar is a burden on India?
So definitely
And,
not.
Would it be better to separate it from India?
No, sir, definitely not. I think it's rather having a lot of potential. There is only need to identify the correct areas of potential and develop them. I think we have not put, I will not say the central government, but the state government have been lacking a certain willpower to develop the state, and because of inefficiency politically and administratively, the state has been lagging behind in the developmental areas. However, I think that there are many areas of potential. For example, agriculture, it has a great natural advantage in having vast tracts of fertile land. So agriculture can be a definitely game changer for Bihar. I also think that there are many other sectors such as textile. Yes, textile, because it has been important for sericulture, so that can be
Well,
developed.
but the general perception is
Yes.
that Bihar is a backward state. People said that is one of the Bimaru states. So do you agree with this perception or not?
No, sir, I do not agree. I agree that it has been lagging behind in the developmental aspects and certain development indicators, definitely, but it can be improved, and to see it as a Bimaru state will be a negative perception. Rather, we should see it. We should see something like the positive aspects of the state. For example, it has been emerging recently as an educational hub. Patna, the capital city, has been having many coaching institutes, which has been training students for the government jobs, private sector jobs. There has also been many educational institutions that have been opened in the city. So the city is definitely growing. There is only need to change the perspective.
But what are the historical reasons for the backwardness of the state?
Sir, as I stated earlier, I think political will has been a greater reason. Other than that, corruption has definitely been there. So these two combined factors have been have resulted in the backwardness of the state.
What about the industries in Bihar?
So industries in general, we do not have much of mineral resources after separation of Jharkhand. We are mostly left with a little bit of limestone and mica, and after the coming of synthetic insulator, even the mica industry is not as much development booster. In textile, Bihar has been having some background. Other than that, we have sugar industry, and some breweries have also been established, but they have also been affected recently after
But all
the liquor
sugar
ban.
industries are closed in Bihar.
Yes, sir, they
There
have
is
not been
absolutely no
profitable.
political will to revive those industries.
Yes, sir, that is the reason I cited earlier as well. The political will, that has been a major problem with Bihar.
Suppose if you get selected
Yes, sir.
and if you are posted there in your own home Pada state,
Yes, sir.
then what will be your priorities to improve?
So I think we should start at a very small level, and gradually the changes would manifest. It is not going to change the scenario in say 1 or 2 years, but we need to identify the correct areas where the state has potential and to develop them. Especially, I would say I would focus mostly on agriculture. I think that can be a game changer for Bihar. I really think so.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell us something about women empowerment in India.
So women empowerment.
What are the guarantees given by the constitution to women?
So the constitution itself in Article 15 and 16 as well as Article 14 states that every person, every individual in this country has equality, the rights to equality, the rights to public employment, right to education, and the constitution also provides special provisions for development of those classes which have remained socially marginalized, and women are one of them. So the government has been taking steps regarding that. We have seen 33% reservations in the local government, that is the panchayat level, and those have been implemented. And I will talk about Bihar itself. I have seen villages where women earlier would not even go out to bring water from wells, and now they are selected as the sarpanch of the village, and they have been working towards especially women issues, towards education, and the villages where women have been the leaders are showing tremendous growth. So I think that is one of